Hi students, it's Miss Ayala. Today we're going to be talking about rounding, and I want to introduce you to a new way called balloon rounding. Now, when you round a number, you are going to change it, and it's going to tell you exactly what to round to. So you're either going to be rounding to the tens place, or maybe the hundreds place, thousands, 10,000s. Rounding is really nice because it tells you exactly which one to pay attention to. So I'm going to teach you how to do the balloon rounding today. Let's say, for example, your number is 745, and they told you to round to the nearest 10. Okay, your first step, underline. You are going to underline where it tells you to round. If it says round to the tens, that's where you underline. If it said round to the hundreds, that's what you would underline. So step one is to underline. And here I'm underlining the 4 because the 4 is in my tens place. And just to prove it, just for the sake of remembering and always practicing, I'm going to write O for ones, T for tens, and H for hundreds. And remember, students, I write, you write. So step one is underline. Step two would be balloon. Now your balloon number is always going to be the number behind your underlined number. So your balloon number for this number is the 5. And I circle it. What I want you to think about is the number 5. I want you to imagine that you have a balloon. Imagine you have a balloon. Look at that balloon. You have a balloon that's on a string. It's full of helium. And what you're going to do is you're going to open your hand counting by each number. So let's say here it's 5. So everybody close your hand because you're holding onto your balloon string. And when you count each number, you open a finger. So let's do that. Ready? 1. Still holding it. 2. 3. 4. Even at 4, my thumb is still holding it. Then say 5. What happened when we hit 5? That's right. When I hit 5, my balloon flew up because I wasn't holding onto the string anymore. When I hit the number 5, my hand opens up completely, and I don't have my string anymore. So this 5 as a balloon number made the balloon go up, which means this number goes up. So instead of 4, what number do we have now? Excellent. That 4 becomes a 5, and our balloon number will become a 0. And then whatever was in front of the number you were rounding always gets put right back. So the number 745 rounded to the tens place is 750. Let's try another one. Let's say we have 839, and we are rounding to the hundreds place. Tell me my steps. What is step 1? Excellent. You underline the place it tells you to round. So if we are rounding to the hundreds, we underline the hundreds place. Just for practice, ones, tens, hundreds. I want to make sure I'm underlining the correct one. It's always good practice to create a place value chart. Remember, I write, you write. Now, I'm underlining the hundreds because that's what I'm going to be rounding. So which digit, the 3 or the 9, is going to become my balloon number? Absolutely, the 3, because my balloon number is always the number right behind the underlined number. So, since we were rounding to the hundreds place, 3 is now my balloon number. So, okay, get ready. Have your hand up, pretend you're holding your balloon, and let's count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Are you still holding your balloon? Yes, you are. If you're still holding it, then that underlined number does not change. It does not change at all. So, if my underlined number does not change, my balloon didn't go up. So, if you didn't look up, your balloon didn't go up, this 8 stays an 8. And the balloon number and everything after the balloon will turn into what digit? That's right, zeros. So 839 rounded to the hundreds place is 800. Good job. Let's try another one. Let's say our number is 1,949, and we are rounding to the thousands place. I'm going to put TH over here so don't forget I'm rounding to the thousands place. Now, let's make sure that we know which digit is in the thousands place. So let's make a mini place value chart on the top. 9 is in which place value? Good. Ones, then tens, hundreds, and then finally thousands. Excellent. Now, I am rounding to the thousands place. So what number do I underline? What digit do I underline? Good, the 1 in the thousands place. So students, which digit in what place value becomes my balloon number? That's right, the 9 in the hundreds place becomes my balloon number. So all right, pencils down, get your hand up. You're holding your balloon. Remember, you have your string. We are going to count to 9, and we open a finger every time we count. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm still holding it, but I got to get to 9. 5. Did your head look up? Mine did. When you look up, that means your balloon went up. It's gone. If your balloon goes up, what happens to this number? That's right. This number will also go up. So what's greater than 1? 2. Excellent. So 1 will turn to 2, and the balloon number and all the other numbers behind your balloon number turn into what digit? That's right, 0. So what was 1,949 rounded to the thousands place? What did it become? Yep. 2,000. Good job. Let's try another one. Let's say your next number is 54,287, and you need to round to the thousands place. Again, we're going to go thousands place. Which digit is in the thousands place? That's right, the 4. So step 1 is I underline my place value that I'm rounding. What digit becomes the balloon number? Excellent. The 2 becomes my balloon number. All right, so now, pencil down. Hold up your hand. You've got your balloon. You've got your string. Let's count. Ready? How many times are we going to open a finger? What are we counting to? Excellent. We're counting to 2. Let's do it. Ready? 1, 2. What happened? That's right. You're still holding your balloon. So that means that this 4, what happens to it? That's right. 4 stays 4. You didn't let go of your balloon. You didn't look up. Your balloon didn't fly up. If it doesn't go up, your underlying digit stays the same. So what happens to your balloon number and everything after the balloon number? What digit do all 3 of these numbers turn into? Excellent, zeros. Now, what about this 5? What do I do with that 5? Excellent. I have to bring it straight down. I'm going to bring it right back. I can't erase it. I have to bring it right back down. I can't forget about it. 54,287 rounded to the thousands place is 54,000. Excellent. One more. Let's say we have 5,193, and we are going to be rounding, let's see, to that place value. What is that place value? That's right, that is the hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds, then thousands. Okay, so if 1 is in the hundreds and we are rounding to the hundreds, what's my balloon number? That's right, it's 9. Now think, when we were doing this practice and we were counting and we would open our fingers with whatever the number is in our balloon number, what was the magic number when we lost our balloon? That's right, 5. 5. Anything greater than 5, our balloon flew up. But we can always practice it. So let's do it again. Let's practice with our 9. So have your balloon ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What happened? That's right. It went up. Your balloon went up. That means this number goes up. So what does the 1 turn into? Excellent. To a 2. What happens to the digits after your balloon number? Your balloon number and the one after. What happens to those 2 digits? What do they turn into? Excellent. Zeros. Am I done? No. Good. I am not done. What do we have to remember to do? That's right. Bring down any digits before the underlined digits. So here, bringing down my 5, cha-cha-cha, comma. Here is my number rounded. So 5,193 rounded to the hundreds place is 5,200. Excellent job. Okay. Okay, students, so just remember what our rules are. So, for example, let's just see if I had this number written. And I told you to round to the 10,000s place. Our job, of course, would be to figure out which digit is in the 10,000s place. So I tell you, always make your little mini place value chart right on the top so you don't make a mistake. So what is my digit in the 10,000s place? That's right, 8. So then what becomes my balloon number? What digit? Excellent, the 4. So remember the rules. Underline what it tells you to round to. The number right behind it is your balloon number. Then hold your balloon out. What's the magic number for your balloon to go up? That's right, 5. 5 and above means my balloon goes up. If your balloon goes up, your underline number goes up. Then what happens to the balloon number and everything after it? What do they turn into? Excellent, yes. All the balloon number and all the digits after turn into zeros. Excellent job. Okay, guys, it's your turn now. I want you to go have some fun. Go do some balloon rounding on your own. Bye-bye.